Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the Las Vegas Strip, Center Strip, to check out the Linq Promenade. The Linq Promenade is one of those places that looks totally different at night than it does during the daytime. In the daytime, it's kind of like a peaceful oasis from the Las Vegas Strip, and in the nighttime, it's totally the opposite. It's like a huge, very busy, hustling place off the Las Vegas Strip with lots of rowdy crowds and totally different from the daytime. This is also one of those places where I can't make up my mind if I like it in the daytime better than the evening. I'm going to say 50-50. How do you like the Linq Promenade if you've been here? Do you like it during the daytime or do you like it in the evening? I have a feeling most of you like it more in the evening because of all the activity. Leave a comment below. In any event, let's get this walk started. We're walking here at the Las Vegas Boulevard entrance. We're going to make it all the way to the High Roller Observation Wheel and head back to Las Vegas Boulevard or the Strip to finish the video off. You ready, Boots? Start walking. Just when you thought Las Vegas Strip couldn't get any more dazzling, think again. The Linq Promenade is Caesars Entertainment's shopping, dining, and entertainment district located in the center of the Las Vegas Strip, which is home to more than 35 restaurants and retail stores such as Brooklyn Bowl, Gordon Ramsay's Fish, which we just passed, In-N-Out Burger, Razor, Yard House, and so much more. The Linq Promenade is located center strip across from Caesars Palace. And we're right in between the Linq Hotel and Casino on the left and the Flamingo Hotel and Casino on the right, both Caesars properties. This is like an alleyway, a very popular alleyway, again, loaded with stores and restaurants and clubs, running right in between those two hotels and casinos.
This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video.
Welcome. The lights at the lake begin. 3, 2, 1.
Obviously, the focal point of the Linq Promenade is the High Roller, a 550-foot observation wheel which is one of the tallest in the world, and it offers 360-degree views of Las Vegas. For thrill seekers, you can ride Fly Linq Zip Line down the promenade, which is the Strip's only zip line. The High Energy Marketplace offers over 35 shops and restaurants. Some of the restaurants include, as I mentioned earlier, Gordon Ramsay Fish and Chips, Chayo Mexican Kitchen and Tequila Bar, Virgil's Real Barbecue, Flour and Barley's Brick Oven Pizza, In-N-Out Burger, Tilted Kilton Yard House, just to name a few, and retailers include Nectar Bath Treats, I Love Sugar, Honolulu Cookie Company, Gorin Hat Brothers, Razor, Harley Davidson, and lots of others. Hey, if you guys are liking this video, please subscribe and hit that thumbs up. It really does help the channel out. And by the way, I've been told, I don't know how true it is, but I've been told if you visit Las Vegas and you're subscribed to the New York channel, your odds of winning are increased dramatically. I'm just saying. And here we are at the base of the High Roller, and here's a little trivia fact for you New Yorkers out there. The High Roller is one of the more popular videos on the New York channel. The original video I did on the High Roller has over 35,000 views, and people spent over 2,500 hours watching that video. The Linq Promenade also features Brooklyn Bowl, a music venue that has a capacity of over 2,000 people in their concert hall. Brooklyn Bowl also has a restaurant serving up the best fried chicken in town by Blue Ribbon, and over 32 bowling lanes. Don't forget to check out the community room here on the New York channel. I'll be in Las Vegas next week and visiting lots of places, doing some last minute live streaming, and the only place you're going to find out about that is in the community room. So make sure you're constantly checking that community room link on the New York channel, not only for live streams, but a lot of information on things going on in Las Vegas, Atlantic City, Orlando, New York City, personal stuff, and of course the Live from New York shows coming up. But especially in the coming week, there'll be lots of last minute announcements in that community room about a live stream in Las Vegas. But you also need to click on that notification bell, because if you don't do that, well, then you won't be notified when I'm going live. In case you were wondering, the Linq Promenade is usually open from 10 a.m. to 2 a.m. I particularly like coming in the morning because, like I said, it's very quiet. A lot of these restaurants, not all of them, but some of them serve breakfasts, and it's a great place to come just to relax. It's very quiet here in the morning, but around noon it starts picking up. That's when that observation wheel, the high roller, starts up. And again, as the day progresses, it just gets busier and busier. Don't forget to check out the New York store. There's a link below in the description. And also, if you're interested in visiting Las Vegas, I also have a book, 50 Tips and Tricks When Visiting Las Vegas. There's a link in the description for that as well. Thank you.
I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.